Hi everybody, I would like to make a quick integrated review for the incoming test number 2, which will check your knowledge about word processor. So that will be a whole bunch of different questions, not in order, but I would like to teach you quickly, as quick as possible. So that will be helpful for your preparation to exams. So first of all, what is border? Borders is in home ribbon, and you can see it here. And borders, when you open this chevron, that will be a whole bunch of borders. Look at this. You can find borders outside, around. You can see no borders. You can see right borders, and so on and so on. By default, the table that you can see here and image inside will be bordered. But if you highlight the table, you can go to borders and you can make no borders. Then table will be invisible. The only things that you can recognize it is the table motion tool. So you can move this along to the layout. You can see this. To apply borders to the table, you highlight the table and then go to borders and use all borders. Then, folks, you can apply border to the phrase. Let's go to all borders and then you will see borders. Or you can apply borders to entire paragraph. Highlight paragraph and apply borders. Then you will see borders about paragraph. So borders is applicable to many different things. To picture itself, let's go for picture, highlight picture and apply border. So you will see border. Folks, I would like to show you a few things like shape. Let's go for shape. Insert shapes, and I will use this shape. For example, you see this shape and you see the border. So I would like to go for the shape. So home ribbon. Okay, I click the shape and apply border. Then we'll see border. Let me go to right mouse click and format shape. Then you will see in a right pane you will see fill and line. Line is a border. So let's go for no line. Then border will be eliminated. Or solid line. You will see border. And fill. Let's go for fill. I can say no fill. And then you will see just borders. So it's applicable to not only pictures, paragraph, table, but also to shapes. Next, folks, is how to remove hyperlinks. Sometimes you made it by mistake. Sometimes you download text with hyperlinks. Remove hyperlinks is easy, but you cannot remove all hyperlinks at all. What you need to do, you need to highlight the hyperlink text. You see this chapter is chapter with hyperlink. Then you can go for a right mouse click on it and you can go for remove hyperlink. How do you know that this is hyperlink? Take a look. When you position your cursor, you will see the white flag that tell you Control plus click to follow link. Link meaning hyperlink. So you need to right mouse click and go to remove hyperlink. And do this one by one. So I will highlight this hyperlink, right mouse click, and remove hyperlink. So one by one, hyperlinks will be removed. Okay, next, folks, is the shortcuts. Shortcuts, you know what is a combination of the keyboard keys. So for example, Control C, Control V, copy and paste. But if you position your cursor on different items on the ribbons, then you will be seeing that cursor will be displayed here. Take a look. Align right, Control R, centered. Control E, YE because equal from both sides, and so on and so on. You can go to different items, then you will see flags, shortcuts. Columns, folks, column. Columns, your text with 2-3 column. Column, I believe in the page design, and then you will see column icon. So when you apply column, you click column, then you will see different style of the column. This 3 column which used for brochure, 2 columns for newspapers, and so on. Let me use this 2 columns, then you will see 2 columns of the text. So the best way to make 2 columns is to use columns in a layout. Display modes. Look at the view menu. You will see read mode, print layout, web layout. Print layout is the common mode, which is with weak is what you see is what you get. And then read mode when you have a book and then you would like to read it. Folks, you can find them also in the bottom of the screen. Look at this read mode, and this is print layout. And what is this? This is web layout. This is repetition of these icons that actually allows you to change view. Now rulers, folks, take a look. When you work with the text, you have horizontal and vertical rulers. Rulers actually shows you the measurement. In this case, we have inches. In Europe we have centimeters and millimeters, and this is little triangle sliders. And then it actually shows you the right indentation, and this is left indentation of the text of the selected paragraph. So if I highlight the paragraph, I can move this indentation, and then you will see paragraph will be moved. What else we need the rulers for? Take a look, folks. Rulers, if you position your cursor in the border between white and gray, that will be manual motion of the margins. When I drag this area to the right, you will see your margins will be changed. And the same as here, left margin, I can go and move margins this way or that way, to the left or to the right. So I can manually adjust margins. So don't forget, this area in the rulers is adjustment for the margin. This is part 1, and I will continue in part 2.